Meaning of FNG.
FING.
FNG.
FNG.
FING. FING is a euphemism for the expletive F*** king, which is widely considered to be vulgar and offensive language. It can be used to intensify a sentence or express frustration, anger, or emphasis. Due to its explicit and coarse nature, its use is generally considered inappropriate in polite company, formal settings, and communication with strangers. However, it can be commonly heard in casual conversation among friends, in movies, music, and other forms of entertainment. Its widespread use has contributed to its acceptance as a part of modern vernacular, albeit still controversial in some circles.